up, BB Gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shava.
And we're back on the video, man. As you guys see by the title, blah, 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 blah. As you guys see by the title, we're back with another video. We're back with something a little different, a little fun, just me and Babe going on today. Have a little fun. Where we at?
We are at Funplex. Y'all haven't been to Funplex since middle school.
Funplex or Funplex?
Funplex.
What did you just say? You said Fun Place.
No, I said Funplex. I haven't been here.
You said Fun Place though.
Babe, I said Funplex.
You said Fun Place though.
I said Funplex.
Okay, I'm gonna rewatch that. But guys, as you guys see, man, we have Funplex, games, events, bowling, rides, all that. So we finna go in there, have a little fun, chit chat. You know what I'm saying? A little quick, maybe an hour or two. I don't know. We don't want this video to be too long, but guys, I know we haven't been uploading. We have been working. Our schedule was rough this week again. Oh my gosh, his schedule is good, but mine is horrible. Yeah, hers is up and down. So I don't know, guys. What you guys think? When we were by ourselves, should we make like solo videos, like vlogs, and then when the next person come home, they make another vlog and combine it into one instead of we waiting to when we do a video? I don't know. Let us know in the comments down below, guys. I don't know yet, but as you said, we're back. You know what I'm saying? The grind don't stop, won't stop. We're posting videos every week. 3 to 5 videos for the week. If you guys new, drop a like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You dig. But yeah, guys, we're finna go in there. Oh, wait, before we go in there, we're gonna show you guys outside, because outside look pretty nice.
It looks gorgeous. Like I can barely see.
So when you came in last time, it was different? Huh? It was different when you came in last time?
I mean, I feel like the bushes and stuff, like, this is new. I don't know.
Oh.
Like the parking lot is different from when I last came.
Oh.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I haven't been here in a long time. Like since middle school, I feel like it's been a while. But I love Funplex.
But yeah, guys, man, we're finna go in there, have some fun. Hopefully it's not too packed.
Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, we'll show y'all a bit of outside so y'all can get an idea of what this place looks like, and then we're also gonna come back when we're inside of Funplex. So yeah guys, peace.
Yeah guys, this is how it look. Let me zoom in. What I say, we love Funplex. This stupid guy here. What's wrong with this guy? Yeah. It's a big place. You say you want to take a picture? You want to tell the fans what happened right now?
See what happened was, it's the nail. It just dragged, like when I did like that, it dragged on the nail. That's what happened.
All the excuses.
That's what happened.
what are you doing? Excuse. Whoever wins? However lose, which one? Whoever wins?
So guys, as you guys can see, we are outside. We are done for the day. Yes, we had fun. We didn't get to do as much as we wanted because some of the stuff we wanted to do was, like, for example, go-kart. There was nobody in there. It was
Only one person.
Yeah, it would pretty much be 3 people. I'm like, nah.
That ain't fun.
Nah, we need more people. I mean, competitive. So, if you guys want to come, let us know. You can come back another time. You know what I'm saying? We can run it up. But we did bowling. She won one. Well,
He won the first game, I won the second game. But our game, like, stopped towards the end. The second game, it stopped. Like, it kept freezing and we had to switch lanes and stuff. So it was getting annoying. So we was just like, we're ready to go. But they gave us a free ticket.
Oh, yeah.
Come back, a coupon.
They did.
I love coupons. So they gave us a coupon to come, you know, before the 31st.
So yeah, guys. Oh, guys, before we end this video, as you guys see, we did a new intro.
We did a new
Let us know in the
intro.
comments, guys. Do you guys think it's fire? If it's dope? Nah, yeah, nah, kinda. What could we change? Well, we're not gonna change anything, but
Yeah.
what do you guys think about it? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and you got anything you want to say?
That's all I want to say. We're going to go find some ice cream.
Oh yeah, ice cream time. I don't know, what time is it? It is 10 o'clock, guys. What ice cream place you know open right now? Apart from McDonald's and Burger King.
If y'all know a good place to go and get ice cream late at night, let us know. We'll probably go try it next video or something like that. But right now we're gonna go try to find a good ice cream place that's still open past 10 o'clock. So
If
yeah,
we find one, then we're gonna show it in this video. If
Yeah,
not,
just
then
a
we're just
little
gonna end this video right here. So
they're probably making the cones and stuff. We're here. Oh, babe, take a picture from these wings. Alright guys, we got our ice cream, baby. babe, come in the picture. We got our ice cream. Babe got the black vanilla. And then I got the lemonade with Pop Rocks. So babe, try yours. Good?
This vanilla and just tastes black. Don't work for you?
You can. Alright guys, I'm about to try mine. Oh my god. Wanna try it? It's good. You like yours, babe? Okay. What's wrong? You look irritated. You look irritated.
Sleepy.
He's sleepy, guys. Alright, guys. So we're gonna end the vlog here. So yeah, guys. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. Comment in the comment section below which part of this vlog you liked. Also hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. Yeah, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video. Hey, you guys say something? He's sleeping. So yeah, we'll get y'all in the next video. Peace.